National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Minooka, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, Lockport, Lamont, Channahon, Minooka, Woodridge, Shorewood, Rockdale, Crest Hill, Crystal Lawns, and Fairmont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 248 and 269. Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 131. Interstate 355 between mile markers 6 and 7, near mile marker 11, and between mile markers 13 and 14. This includes University of St. Francis, Channahon State Park, Joliet Junior College, and Lewis University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The flood warning continues for the following